Okay, today we're making the tracks for the Killbot from Chopping Mall, and it takes 55 of these miniature 20% scale size Rexford tabletop links in order to do it, and you need a bunch of paper clips. Unfortunately, most of the paper clips come with a plastic coating on them now. So you got to get that plastic coating off there, and I find that I can cut it with the X-Acto knife and then pull it off, straighten it out as much as possible. One jumbo paper clip from the dollar store. This isn't a dollar store box, but the paper clips in there from the dollar store. We'll put together 6 of these links, and so you just take them once you've printed them and feed the old paper clip through there until you get it coming out both sides. And probably going to need some needle nose so you can wiggle and jerk it around. Get to where it's just poking out that side, and I grab it with the snips and pull it out here, and then cut back on the deeper part of the snips, and then work it back in. Easier said than done, depending on how straight your paper clip was. There we go. Then you have one, and you keep doing that until you have more, and then you keep doing that until you've got 55 of them. Then I actually been taking this pointy super glue and just touching the ends of those with a little super glue, and then hitting them with some quick set. And then when they're done, making sure, like that one's gotten stiff, make sure you can break them all loose. That one's gotten stiff. Break them all loose again. In my case, I'm doing that just to make sure the paper clip stays in and doesn't work its way out. And if you ruin one or something, you just print another one and replace it. You may have to replace that one. I'm not real happy with how it's bending at the moment. Although that's steeper than it needs to bend. It's loosening up. Once you're done on that side, then there are cosmetic traction threads if you're trying to look like it looked in the movie. The file of these, I just printed them in black, and then these will get super glued onto there so that it looks like that when you're done. Of course, when you're all done, then you link the last one together with a paper clip. And that's what I'm doing while I'm waiting for the new body print to finish. Decided to incorporate the track in one half of the body, so there'll be a left and right, and then I'll just join the 2 body halves together in the middle, and that should make it up. We'll find out. It's about a 5-hour print because of the supports. I suppose I could have done it differently so there wouldn't be so much supports, but what the heck, it's the way I did it.